So here is a quick and easy tutorial on how to cut and sew these fingerless glove sleeves. It's very simple, detailed and beginner friendly. So if this looks like what you're interested in, please watch this video till the end. And if this is your first time on this channel, please click on the subscribe button, like, share and drop a comment. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead to do is to draft a basic sleeve. So first I'll go ahead to draw a straight horizontal line which is going to be serving as my starting line. Next I'll insert my vertical measurement which is my shoulder to calf side which is 4.5 inch, then shoulder to elbow is 12 inch, shoulder to my wrist is 22.5 inch. I'll go ahead to mark that. After marking that, from this point I just marked, I'll go ahead to add 3.5 inch extra to my sleeve length, then I'll draw straight horizontal lines with my ruler like you see me doing in the video. So once I'm done doing this, the next thing I'll go ahead to do now is to mark my armhole measurement. So I'll place my tape rule like this and I'll take out the armhole measurement. So my armhole measurement is 20 divided by 2 is 10. I'll go ahead to mark that. So whatever armhole measurement you have on the blouse or dress you've already made, you go ahead to insert that at this point. Then on the elbow line, I'll insert my round elbow measurement divided by 2 and I'll mark that. After marking that, I'll move over to my sleeve length and I'll insert my wrist measurement divided by 2 and also mark. Once I'm done doing this, I'll go ahead to connect the points together with my ruler like you see me doing in the video. So once I connect the elbow to the sleeve length, I'm going to go ahead to connect the sleeve length to this extension I have below with a straight line like this. So you can decide to use a curve or you can decide to use a straight line depending on how you want it to be. So after connecting, this is what it is going to look like. Next I'm going to go ahead to quickly now is to draw my armhole curve with my hand like you see me doing in the video. Now go ahead to insert the seam allowance of 1 inch on the side of the sleeve, connect the points together, after which I'll go ahead to cut it out. After cutting, this is what you're going to be having after cutting. Next I'm going to go ahead to now is to cut out the sleeve from this fabric, then I'll show you what to do next. So here I went ahead to cut out the sleeve on my fabric and this is what I have after cutting, and I went ahead to cut out for both sleeves at the same time. The next thing I'm going to go ahead to do now is to cut out the strap that I'm going to be inserting into the finger. And to do that, you can use the same piece of fabric you are using to make this, or you can get any stretchy fabric you want. So all you need to do is to cut out a tiny piece of fabric like this, go over to your sewing machine and fold it. Make sure that the piece is not too big so it's not inconvenient when the dress is being worn. So I'll go over to my sewing machine to create this and I'll come back to show you what. So here I've gone ahead to make the little strap for the finger and this is what it looks like. Like I said earlier, you can decide to use your bias by folding the bias into two to create the strap for the finger. The next I'm going to go ahead to do now is to determine how I want the strap to be. So you place it on your finger like this and go ahead to fit it in. Make sure that it is not too tight so it's not too uncomfortable for you. So for me what I have here is 4 inch. I'm going to be using this 4 inch to cut out the strap, so I'll go ahead to fold it into two like this, making sure that it overlaps. Then I'll place it on the good face of the sleeve. So note that I'm doing this on the good face. I'm going to go ahead to keep it in place with my sewing machine. After doing that, I'll go ahead to finish up the edge of the sleeve using my bias. So here I went ahead to attach the strap and I also went ahead to finish up the sleeve using my bias, and this is what it looks like once I was done doing that. So the next I'm going to go ahead to quickly do now is to close up the sleeve. So you go ahead to close it up and close up the side. I'll do that, then I'll show you the final look. So after finishing up the sleeve, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it came out really nice and very beautiful. So go ahead to try yours. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my other tutorials.